Managing your T-Mobile 5G gateway starts with accessing the admin panel. Go to http:/192.168.12.1 in your web browser while connected to the gateway's network. The default login is often admin for both username and password. However, check the sticker on your device, as newer models require mandatory password resets for security. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to configure network settings, parental controls, and run diagnostics. Always change the default password immediately for security. The latest gateways, like the Arcadian KVD21 v3.0, feature mobile responsive designs and biometric authentication. The T-Mobile app provides key performance insights. If wireless access fails, connect via Ethernet. In the Wi-Fi settings, you can configure your SSID, which is your network name, and password, choosing WPA3 for the best security. Modern T-Mobile gateways support Wi-Fi 6E, offering the 6 GHz band for less congested connections. Enable dynamic band steering to automatically prioritize devices on optimal channels. Your gateway automatically connects to T-Mobile's 5G bands, N71, N41, and N260 for optimal performance. Low band like N71 provides wide coverage and better penetration through walls. Mid-band, such as N41, balances speed and range effectively. High-band N260 delivers gigabit speeds where available, though with shorter range. Keep your gateway updated with firmware updates delivered over the air through the T-Mobile app or gateway interface. These updates are critical for security patches, performance improvements, and compatibility with the latest 5G standards. In the event of a problematic update, use the T-Mobile app to roll back to a previous version.